Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit. Turn on that bell so you can get notified to see more struggles. Ding!
So guys, hey, what's up? So I'm recording 2 videos in one night for you guys, okay? So I just flipped my hair out for no apparent reason, because now I gotta deal with this. Check that video out on how I got my hair into an afro, because this is my version of an afro. But yeah. But in this video, I'm gonna do 2 big afro puffs. We're gonna put my arm strength to the test. So let's see if I can do 2 big afro puffs on stretched, twist out natural hair. Yeah. We're gonna see how this goes. We gotta find the part first.
I was trying to part my hair, but my hair was like, nah, you ain't parting me, boo boo. Not today. So I've done puffs before, but never on my hair like this. And I just wanted to see if I could do it, because you know it takes strength. It takes all the strength in the world to handle this hair. So yeah. This was a real struggle. I love her though. So while I'm trying to part my hair, I don't go against it. I just go with the flow. I let my hair take the lead, because if I try to take the lead, it almost fails every time. So this part is not straight, but I did my best. It's me struggling, because girl. So you know, you're gonna need a hair scrunchie thingy, a brush, and then yeah. This thing is, it's gotta really stretch for my hair, because they gonna break if they too small. So the famous faces of struggle. This is what you call struggle. It was a struggle. Okay, girl, now let's smooth them baby hairs. Let's smooth them baby hairs. Even though I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but it's okay. Arm is strong. Arm is strong. Take a deep breath, girl. Take a deep breath. Okay. And push. Push. You got this. You got this, girl. You got this. You got this. You got this. And push and pull. And push and pull. Ha 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 ha. Now you gotta pull it through the loop. Come on, you got it. You got it. You got it. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Woo. This is a lot of work. I was not exaggerating. This is a lot of work. Okay. Whew. You know, I used to be an edges girl, but I don't do my edges no more. I just leave them alone. I put some water on it, smooth it out, and it's good to go. Yeah, yeah.
So guys, I hope you guys like this video because I suffered tremendously trying to get my hair up. Now I gotta take them out. But it's cute though. Please like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, okay? And I'm gonna see you on the next one, okay? Public service announcement. I really struggled trying to get these 2 ponytails. My arms hurt.
Girl.
You gotta love it.
So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video.
Ay, I told you I was lit. Ay, I told you I won't quit. Ay, watch you make this hit.